Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change the WordPress header from white background to any other colors background. This is the header I put up. Okay, header. So first you need to go to the backend here. Backend. Let's go to the backend here. Go to appearance, customize. Appearance, customize. Scroll down, go to additional CSS. Okay, this is the CSS method. Okay, I actually put some code here. This is the header of the background code. It's now white color. So you type for your header. This code is actually depending on the theme of your website. Okay, I'm using Inspiral theme. So how do you check your code of this theme that you are using? You right click your mouse, go to inspect. Okay, go to inspect there and then look for header over here. Header. So you see this header class is actually entry header. Entry hyphen header. Okay, entry hyphen header. So your code for for me, my website will be because the header class and dot it's actually entry hyphen header. I have to repeat this. So if your code for the header class is different, for example, header, then you change it to just dot header. Okay, and then you put this code. Okay, you type this code, background color colon followed by the hash code of whichever color that you want, and then this code. Okay, this code, this code. Let me show you this code. Yeah. Okay. So this is actually white color. Okay, how to get the color code rights of the background that you want? You can actually go to this website. Okay, I'll put in the link in the description below. You can actually come here and take a look at the various codes that are available, the color hex code over here. So various codes here showing you the different colors that are available. Okay, I'm going to use the sky blue color, this one. We're going to copy the code and then change it. Okay, change it FF. Okay, change it and publish. Okay, for me, because this header, my header is actually not dot header, is actually entry hyphen header. So I need to change entry hyphen header. There you go. It will change into sky blue color. Okay, so that's how to change the header background color using CSS. Okay, so that, yeah. If you find this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress update on some features I want to teach you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.